Tamil Selvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So, third unit is Theodolite Surveying. In this Theodolite Surveying, introduction. The Theodolite Surveying is an instrument to measure horizontal and vertical angle. So, depending upon the facility provided, reading the observations, the theodolites may be classified as simple vernier theodolite, micrometer theodolite, and optical glass arc theodolite, and electronic theodolite. Though the first two are absolute and then modern theodolites or optical or electronic digital type. So, classification. Theodolites may be classified as transit theodolite and non-transit theodolite. First we go for the transit theodolite. Transit theodolite is said to be transit on which telescope can be revolved through 180 degree in a vertical plane about its horizontal axis. Thus, the directing the telescope is exactly opposite direction. The various parts of transit theodolites are shown in the figure in the next slide. The vertical circle is rigidly fixed to the telescope and rotates with the telescope. This is the theodolite setup. In this setup here, points are noted 1, 2, 3 up to 1 to 24. Each and every points are noted here. 1 is vertical circle, 2 is attitude bubble, horizontal arc, vernier arm, like that. Up to 24 is the plumb arm, like that they are given. This is the theodolite setup. Next one, definition. So before we go for the theodolite, some of the definitions you should know. First one is transit. It's also called plunging or reversing. This is the operation of revolving the telescope through 180 degree in a vertical plane about its horizontal axis, thus making it point exactly in the opposite direction. Face right. Face right, when the vertical circle of theodolite is on the right of the observer, the position is called face right, and the observations made is called face right observation. Face left. When the vertical circle of the theodolite is on the left of the observer, the position is called face left, and the observation made is called face left observation. A swinging telescope. Revolving the telescope in the horizontal plane about its vertical axis is called swinging. A right swing means clockwise rotation of the telescope, whereas a left swing means anti-clockwise rotation of the telescope. Telescope normal. The telescope is said to be normal or direct, then its vertical circle is to be left of the observer and the bubble is up. Telescope inverted. The telescope is said to be inverted when its vertical circle is to be right of the observer and the bubble is down. Horizontal axis. It's also called the trunnion axis or transverse axis. Vertical axis. It is the axis about which the telescope can rotate in a vertical plane. It is the axis about which the telescope can be rotated in a horizontal plane. Axis of telescope. It is the line joining the optical center of the object glass to the center of the eyepiece. Line of sight. It is an imaginary line joining the intersection of crosshair to the optical center of the object and its construction. Vertical angle measurement. Suppose AOP is angle alpha. The vertical angle is to be measured. Set up the instrument O and level it. Using the upper clamp and the upper tangent screw, set the 0 of the vertical vernier to the 0 of the vertical circle. Check the bubble of the attitude level, which should be central. It not bring it to the center with the help of the clip screw. This will ensure that the instrument is an adjustment. Loosen the vertical circle, clamp the rotate the telescope in a vertical plane and bring station A in the field of view. Bisect it accurately with the vertical clamping and tangent screw. Read both the vernier C and D on the vertical circle. Change the face and repeat the procedure. The average of the two observations gives the value required angle.